Good morning and welcome to Stinky's art class, where we have the best students in the world. Today's lesson is how to draw a police car. Now I think this one's going to be real good for you today. I know I'm looking forward to it. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Let's draw the wheels of the police car. You want to do those first. Okay. And then you want to do the body and the bumpers. Okay. And the police cars go like that. And then the trunk. They got a bumper back here too. Okay. Looking good. So far, so good. Now we want to draw the back seat. Sometimes you want to be in the back seat, sometimes you don't. Okay? You got to be in the front seat or the back seat. Okay. Then you want to do the doors. Okay. Now the front of the police car is black. That way you know it's the police car. Okay, I'm using my good marker with all my ink, but this is a good lesson, so we're going to use it. Okay, back of the police car. Now, the policemen are the first responders. They're all heroes. Now, I'm not talking about the good cops and the bad cops. Obviously, we know that's the way, just the way life is. They even talk about it in the TV shows, the good cop and the bad cop. So I'm not doing any controversy here, but let's just call these guys heroes for now, because these are the good cops. They're the people that save you from the bad guys. Okay. And do Mr. Policeman in there. And let's do your favorite guy. What's he doing back there? I'm going to put Stinky away. Starting an art revolution. Stinky's starting an art revolution, so they're going to put him away. It's okay, folks. It's just a drawing. It's not for real. I'm just having fun here. I'm just showing you how to draw a cop car. That's it. Stinky ain't in no trouble. Okay, folks. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I don't got much more to say today. Hopefully, tomorrow I got a lot more pep talks. If you need a good pep talk, just go watch one of my other lessons. I'm sure I got good pep talks on all of them. So I hope you have a great day. Thanks for believing in me and attending my class today. I believe in you. Let's keep up the good work and let's make a difference. All right, class dismissed.